sacred muddy ground, where giants of the village come to play. A mini World Cup by the valley crowned, where local heroes steal the hearts away. Not gold or global fame, but pure, unadulterated village pride. The whistle blows, the heavy leather flies, a strike that makes the wooden goalposts shake, while cheers ascend into the shifting skies for every tackle, pass, and brilliant break. No Messi, no Ronaldo graces here, yet magic lingers in the passing game. With every dribble, tackle, and a cheer, the local boys are playing for a name. Though mini in its title and its scale, the passion here is anything but small. A grand unfolding, legendary tale, written in sweat, a whistle and a ball. When shadows fall and twilight claims the peak, and floodlights mimic stars above the grass, it's not just of the trophies that they speak, but bonds of brotherhood that will not pass. So here's to Phesa Mini World Cup, it's beautiful wild game where football is a heartbeat, loud and clear. A mini cup with a majestic flame that burns within the hills year after year.